Hello everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Collins. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a mobile Voip in terms of making international call, how to use it, how you can recharge by yourself without consulting any agent, how you can recharge by yourself and make calls in a cheap rate. This is applicable. You can use it even in Android, but I'm going to use an iPhone to demonstrate it to you how you can use it, how to download, or how to register, and even how you can recharge. That is the most important thing, how to recharge, because downloading it is very easy. So my own case now, it's already downloaded on my phone, but I'm going to show you now how to recharge it. That is the problem people are having. That is why people are paying some agents. Those agents you are paying, if you give them like $20 to recharge for you, their own share will be like maybe $5. They are recharging just $15 for you. So if you check it out, you'll see that you are losing a lot. Why don't you just do it by yourself? I'm going to show you now. So what you're gonna do is you go to Apple Store. Just go to Apple Store. Just type it mobile Voip. Mobile Voip. But it's already downloaded on my phone, so I'm going to open it. So once it's open here, what you have to do is, if you are new here, all you have to do is, okay, let me just log out now. Okay, I'm logging out now. Let me just try to register as a new member now. All you have to do is you just go down to create user. Open the create user. The most cheapest rate tariff here is this label. I think Telbo, sorry. That is it here. Just look at this middle one. It's written Telbo, Telbo. That is the most cheapest one. So you click it, the Telbo, you put your username, you put your password, register new password, and your email address, which you will be receiving mails from them, and your country code and phone number. Then click register. So once you are registered now, because I've already registered, so let me just log in. Okay, I've registered, so let me just start logging in now. So all you have to do now is you just go back again here, open your browser. You can use Safari if you're using iPhone or iPad, or you can use ordinary browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome. It's available in both Android, so I'm going to use it. When you open the Google Chrome now, you click it. Remember, you use Telbo. You just type www.telbo.com. Just telbo.com. First you go. So it's gonna bring you here. So here now, this is where you're gonna choose your payment method. They have many methods here, the credit cards and the other methods which you can recharge. So if you're using American Express, is there Visa, anyone, you just select it. Okay, let me just try and make like I'm just selecting something here now. When you select it, oh, I'm sorry, I've registered already my credit card, but believe me, this is very simple from here now. So from here, you just go back, Telbo.com, sorry. So from here now, you choose your payment method, Visa, and just register your credit card there. You can choose like $10 or $25 monthly, depending. Once it's finished, automatically it will be recharged. So I really appreciate very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my video and click the notification button for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much, and meet you again in my next video. Bye bye.